Welcome to MCQ CBSE Class 6 MCQ series. In this video, we will cover 25 MCQs on Science Chapter 7 Temperature and its Measurement. This is part 3 of MCQ series, so stay tuned for more. If you have not watched our previous two parts, kindly go through it. Please like, share and subscribe my channel to get regular update. Let's start. Question number 51. Which of these temperature represent the freezing point of water on the Celsius scale? And correct answer is B, 0 degree Celsius. Question number 52. Which scale is primarily used for weather forecast and scientific purposes? And correct answer is A, Celsius. What happened to the temperature of a water when it is boiling? And correct answer is C, it remain constant. What type of thermometer can be used to measure the temperature of object from a distance? And correct answer is C, infrared thermometer. What happened to mercury in a thermometer as the temperature increases? And correct answer is A, it rises. Which device is used to measure the temperature of the atmosphere? And correct answer is C, thermometer. On the Celsius scale, what is the boiling point of water? Correct answer is C, 100 degrees Celsius. Which of the following is not a unit for measuring temperature? And correct answer is D, joule. What is the room temperature commonly considered in Celsius? And correct answer is B, 25 degree Celsius. Which scientific law describes the relationship between the temperature and volume of a gas at constant pressure? And correct answer is D, Charles' law. What is the temperature of absolute zero in Celsius? And correct answer is B, minus 273.15 degree Celsius. Which property of a liquid make mercury or alcohol suitable for use in thermometer? And correct answer is B, thermal expansion. Which scale is used in most countries for scientific purposes? And correct answer is A, Celsius. Why is alcohol sometimes used in thermometer instead of mercury? And correct answer is D, all of the above. What does it mean if a thermometer reads 0 degrees Celsius? And correct answer is C, water is freezing. What is the Kelvin equivalent of 100 degrees Celsius? And correct answer is B, 373 Kelvin. What does a digital thermometer use to measure temperature? And correct answer is C, electronic sensor. Which of the following is a characteristic of a clinical thermometer? And correct answer is A, has a kink to prevent mercury from falling. At which point on the Kelvin scale does water freezes? And correct answer is B, 273 Kelvin. Which liquid is commonly used in alcohol thermometer? And correct answer is C, ethanol. What is the temperature of the human body when suffering from a fever? And correct answer is B, around 40 degrees Celsius. Which of the following scale does not have negative value? And correct answer is C, Kelvin. What is the main disadvantages of a mercury thermometer? And correct answer is B, mercury is a toxic if it leaks. What happened to the temperature of a gas when it is compressed? And correct answer is C, it increases. Which of the following is an example of thermal expansion? And correct answer is A, mercury rising in a thermometer. Thanks for watching MCQ CBSE. Please like, share and subscribe my channel to get regular update. Thank you.